Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this new system that my company sent me for work. So this is my old block. It's called a Thin Client from HP. And I think it finally died after an outage because I did not plug it in a power surge protector. So we had a couple of power outages here in Pacific Northwest, and this died. So they ordered this from me yesterday, and it arrived overnight. So I'm pretty surprised that it wasn't as big. The replacement they sent me is not as big as the previous one. I've had this for more or less 3 years, and this is the new system that I was sent. I think this is what's called 300 Windows 365 Link, and it is much more compact than the previous one. So this is the block. So I work remotely, and the company provided me all the equipment for work. And like if my keyboard or my headset goes off, they would send me a replacement. And for this item, yeah, they also sent me this because my Thin Client died. So I don't really have any idea on how to use this. The port looks pretty identical. I have more ports for this one, as you can see. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yeah, there's more ports on the other one since it's bigger. So let's see the instruction here. Which you can get inside. So it comes with a charging block. There's the charging block. Go. And should go right into here. And I'll also show you how I'm going to set it up. I hope I have enough ports for all the things that I need to plug. But that's it for this box. Oh, there's the instruction. Let's see here. So this is just a safety instruction. Okay, let's check out what's inside this. So there's like a brief description of how to set it up. Okay, so let's figure out the cables that was sent. So there's the cable. So this should connect probably my computer. HDMI. Okay, so I know I have a connection like this in my monitor. This, and let's see how this looks like. So this is, let me see if I can connect this. I'm not sure what this is for, but I'll figure it out. So here is my setup for my work. I know it kind of looks a mess, but I have all the cords here bundled together, so it's easier to attach it. And this is the Microsoft block. I'm not going to make the same mistake of not plugging it to power surge protector. So I have a surge protector right here, as you can see. I'm going to plug it over there, and I'll show you how I set it up. Okay, so here is my internet. Internet plug. So I'm going to remove this Spider-Man thing that I used to bundle it up. So, and here is another one. So I got a camera, a mouse, a keyboard, and I got this connector for the monitor. I'll plug that in, and I think I might need a splitter because I don't have enough plugs, so I have like two more items here that hasn't been plugged yet. So yes, I would need. It's kind of messy right now. I'll fix it later, but yes, I don't have enough USB ports. As you can see here, this is more ports in the front and in the back. So I'm kind of short on ports. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I just fully plugged it in. I turn on the power, and when I turned it on, this is what it showed. So I'm going to click next for this setup. So now you have to log in your information, Microsoft sign-in information. So after I logged in, it's setting up the device. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. So I'm going to put my thin client away since this setup already worked. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.